Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 481. Which tense is used to describe a repeated action or habit in the past? A. Simple present. B. Simple past, example used to. C. Past continuous. D. Past perfect. Correct answer, simple past. Question number 482. Which tense is used for a future action that is a result of a present intention? A. Simple future, will. B. Be going to future. C. Present continuous, for future. D. Simple present. Correct answer, be going to future. Question number 483. Which tense is used for something that started in the past and is still true or ongoing now? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Simple present. Correct answer, present perfect. Question number 484. Which tense is used for an action that was ongoing for a period of time before another past event? A. Past continuous. B. Past perfect. C. Past perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, past perfect continuous. Question number 485. Which tense is used for an action that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future? A. Simple future. B. Future continuous. C. Future perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, future continuous. Question number 486. Which tense is used for a completed action that happened before another action in the past? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, past perfect. Question number 487. Which tense is used to express a promise? A. Present continuous. B. Simple future, will. C. Be going to future. D. Simple present. Correct answer, simple future, will. Question number 488. I usually wake up early. What tense is this? A. Present continuous. B. Simple present. C. Simple past. D. Simple future. Correct answer, simple present. Question number 489. She is currently working on a new project. What tenses is working? A. Simple present. B. Present continuous. C. Simple past. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, present continuous. Question number 490. They visited their grandparents last weekend. What tense is visited? A. Present perfect. B. Simple past. C. Past continuous. D. Simple present. Correct answer, simple past. Like, share, comment and subscribe.